Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage real estate partnerships with CoStar, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin managing real estate partnerships with CoStar, first, create an account on the CoStar platform. Visit the CoStar website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your personal and professional details in the registration form. Once registered, log in to your CoStar account. Familiarize yourself with the platform's dashboard. Explore the available features and tools tailored for real estate management. Next, identify potential partners using the CoStar database. Utilize the advanced search options to filter partners based on criteria that match your goals. Once you have a list, review their profiles to assess compatibility. Reach out to potential partners through the platform's messaging feature. Prepare a concise pitch outlining the benefits of collaborating with you. After establishing communication, schedule meetings to discuss potential partnership details. During these meetings, outline your objectives and listen to their goals as well. Create a shared vision by identifying common interests and objectives. Draft a partnership agreement that outlines roles, responsibilities, and profit-sharing arrangements. Make sure both parties review the agreement thoroughly for clarity and understanding. Once the agreement is settled, establish regular communication channels. Use CoStar's collaboration tools to streamline updates and progress reports. Set milestones and deadlines to keep the partnership on track. Regularly assess the partnership's performance against your initial goals. Make adjustments as needed, maintaining an open line of communication. As you become more comfortable, explore additional features CoStar offers for advanced analytics. Utilize performance metrics to identify areas of improvement. Engage in networking opportunities provided by CoStar to expand your professional connection. Document all interactions and agreements for future reference. With these steps, you can effectively manage your real estate partnerships using CoStar's comprehensive tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.